Euro USD market is still moving downward as expected from the market. Look at it at this very point of support. Market is still going to from here move to the downside. Okay, I am expecting market to come down to this very level of support at this very area. And also for USDJPY, I told you market is going to move upward, although this is 1-day chart, so we need to see market move upwards, a little correction, move upward, little correction, and then finally the market is going to go back to the downside. This is what I am still expecting right now in this market. I'll be discussing all of this in this in-depth analysis, so pay attention and watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel I discuss everything about forex, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. On the Euro USD chart, if you notice this very area, market has been coming back to the downside, and there is an important divergence that presents itself on the 4-hour chart. Remember, this is the 1-day chart, and that was what make liquidity to be satisfied at this very area of important resistance. And market is still going to come back to the downside. That is what I am personally expecting right now from this very area of resistance. Right at this very point, market begin to find resistance here and then begin to go back to the downside, which is what we are seeing right now. So I am still expecting that this market continue this movement to the downside, and that is why I am on the side of selling the market. Okay, so if you are a counter trend trader, you can sell this market on the lower time frame, for example the 4-hour, and you see a nice looking sell opportunity to the downside. And I am expecting this market to continue downward, approaching this very area of important support. Okay, so this very level of support was resistance at this very area, and also resistance at this very area as well. So this is very important, resistance here and also resistance at this very area. So it's a key level of resistance in the past that will turn support right at this very point right now, as you can see it on the chart. So this is what I am expecting on the Euro USD 1-day chart. This market should come back down. And remember, this very movement to the downside is a correction. Okay, so it's a retracement of what the market has done before. So from this very area right at this point of support right here, market move upward, create an impulsive move, market retracement, another impulsive move, create a new high, and the market come back down, retracement, and move all the way to the upside. Impulsive move, so retracement is needed in the market before the next move upward. Now, one very most important thing you need to also pay attention to is where the retracement is going to likely stop. Like I said, at this very point of important support, but we can use the Fibonacci tool to actually verify this very level. And if you come right here and pick the Fib retracement tool, and then you draw from this very point where the move started, okay, this level of support, and you draw it up to this very area of resistance, you discover that this very area is between the 0.5, okay, that's a 50% retracement level, and the 0.618, okay. So this very point is very, very important. That is why I am paying attention to this very area, okay, for market to pause as a support level, for the market to continue from here to the upside for continuation. Okay, so this is what I am expecting right now. So pay attention to this. What this means for us as a trader, that is for the 1-day chart. If you trade the 1-day chart, you should pay attention to enter the market within this area. So for now, you need to wait for the market to come back to the downside, entering into this very zone of important support between the 0.5, that is the 50%, and the 61.8% level on the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the 1-day chart Euro USD, and it's very, very important right now for all of us that are pending to enter into the market at this very point on the 1-day chart right now. And if you look at the 4-hour chart here, like I said, taking a short position or a sell position to the downside is the best thing to do on the 4-hour chart right now, as we begin to see the market come back to the downside. I still believe this market is going to move all the way to the downside, approaching this very level of important support right here, okay, before it to begin to move upward. That is my expectation. And on the USDJPY chart, I talked to you about the market coming back to the downside, and market is going to move upward on the 1-day chart. I am still expecting that this market move to the upside on the 1-day chart, okay, creating a new high above this very area, and then we will see the market finally come back to the downside. This is still my expectation right now. And if you go back to the 4-hour chart, something very important on the 4-hour chart, I talk about market coming back down this very week, okay. So if you look at it, the market has been moving all the way to the downside from this very area of resistance. So we have resistance right here, market come all the way downward, and I said market is going to move up, and then we're going to see the market come back down, approaching this very level of important support, and then from here we'll begin to see the market move upward again. So from this very outlook, market from this area moving upward is very, very important, and that is when we'll begin to see that movement on the 1-day chart. Remember, on the 4-hour chart already. So from the 4-hour chart, when market drop down to this very area, then on the 1-day chart, market will begin to move upward, okay. So that is why I am looking at on the 1-day chart, market should begin to move upward from this very area. Why on the 4-hour chart we should see this very drop coming into the market right now at this very point of important resistance. From this very area, market should come down and then find support here, and then begin to move all the way to the upside in this very formation, and then move upward. This is what I am expecting. And know that if we break this level right here of important support, and then we see a breakout here, creating a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point right here, then it means that this market is going to continue downward. That very upward move will not come into the market again. So as the market is coming back to the downside from this very area downward, we need to pay attention to the market not breaking on this level of important support, because if it do, market will not go to the upside again. It will continue this movement to the downside. So this is what we need to pay attention to right now as we continue this week of trading. So if you are a day trader, pay attention to this analysis, or you're a swing trader, also pay attention to this analysis. It will help you in your trading decision. So that is very important for USDJPY 4-hour and 1-day chart, and most importantly, the Euro USD 1-day chart. Market is still going to come back down on the 1-day chart and also on the 4-hour chart right here. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. And if you've not registered with any broker, or you want to use my recommended broker, I have a link in the description of this video. Check it out and do a registration right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.